So I made about a 20-minute video about finding out today that the year to file a case of discrimination against the Rock County Sheriff's Department, which was already 7 months in when the sheriff, Evan Berbrugi, emailed me and said the reason why he hadn't done anything when I was threatened with murder to be shot in the head by my neighbors, who then said they would also kill their own child. 7 months in, I almost a year had already passed. So then the situation just got worse when I realized that he was just writing that out. However, when I went to go to court, when I was arrested for procuring evidence of being harassed with hate music by my neighbors, and the restraining order that was granted without giving me due process of the law, which would have then just kicked that restraining order right into the garbage can where it belonged. I'm just making this video to let you know that I included a video short of that information showing that I have 5 years. It looks like there may even be an extension on that included. When I was forced to appear in front of a jury trial to defend myself for recording these people evidence of harassing me, which is very clear, it's even more so clear when I walk a block and a half away, because I'm recording the whole thing. I had never even said a word to these people, by the way. Never said a word to them. They just start blasting this hate music at me while I'm outside, which incidentally, that evidence was submitted to the Rock County Courthouse. So that evidence is on file. It's on file. I walk a block and a half away. I'm still recording, waiting for the police to show up. They turn the music down, and then as soon as I get back to my yard and sit down, continuing to wait for the police department, they turn the music back up. Which is very clear harassment. Very clear harassment. Then I was arrested for that, which was a failure on the police department's side. Me appearing in court, they have already selected the jury the day of trial, by the way. I'm just sitting out waiting to appear in court. They bring me into the courthouse. Now, the jury hasn't arrived yet. They're off in another room. It's just me and the attorney and the judge. And I made some very poignant things said in there, because I'm pointing the finger at Jeff Hallbrick and the judge for creating this situation where I can't calm down. I mean, if anybody's seen the movie The Rain Man with Dustin Hoffman and the guy from Top Gun, Tom Cruise, they're on the front porch and he stops on that farm and they knock in the middle of nowhere. I think it was in Iowa or Nebraska. And they said, can we come in and watch Judge Wapner because Dustin Hoffman is having a meltdown and he's just, that's what I was doing. I started to develop that mental tick, if you will, because of this event that I'm telling you right now, of being arrested for procuring evidence of being harassed. I got a new mental tick because of what they were doing. They made the situation. I got a new tick, and I still have that when I'm overstressed. Never had it before, but I got it now because of their actions. Because I was doing that in the courtroom, they said, we can't bring the jury in here for them to see you like this. We can't have them see you like this. We can't have them see you like this, the state that we have created for you. We can't have them see what we've done to you. We can't do that. Now I'm adding some language in there now, but they created this problem for me to where I can't function as a person. Again, I can't even, I'm lucky if I bathe myself once a month. Now, I'm not embarrassed I understand how I'm in this position, but it's not confidence. I have removed myself from society as a solid recluse because I'm unable to function anymore because of what they have done to me. So anyhow, this video, that me not able to function and having been dismissed because I was having just can't function, is further evidence of a pause on me not being able to file a discrimination case against the police department. The very people that I'm going to be filing are the ones that help me provide the proof that I'm not able to function. The very system that I am coming after is also the very system that is providing me the proof that I am having troubles. And anyhow, so there's a short video. If you go to my video shorts, and you'll see the writing, the black with white letters, that talks about how you can put things like this on a pause. And I will, it's after 5 o'clock now. I think it's almost 6 o'clock. I will try to make some phone calls tomorrow, because there's a lot of pieces that have to happen before I can get into the place where I can do this. It isn't just one phone call. It's an overwhelming mountain for me to climb. But now that I know I actually have hope that I can actually do something about it still, I just wanted you to know that there's more stuff out there about this situation.